Today I'm going to teach you how to import brushes into Affinity Designer. This is a great way to expand your creative toolkit and add custom brush styles to your projects. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens up, you'll need to have a workspace ready. You can either open your existing file or create a new file to work with. Either option works perfectly fine for importing brushes. Now direct your attention to the right panel of your screen. This is where you'll find various tools and options for customizing your design elements. Look for the section labeled Path Brushes. Once you've located it, you'll notice a small down arrow button positioned right beside it. Click on that down arrow to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Import Brushes. This action opens up a file browser window, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders and files. This is where you'll find and select the brush files you've downloaded or created. Browse through your files until you locate the brushes you want to import into Affinity Designer. These brush files are typically stored wherever you saved them after downloading. Once you've found the brushes you're looking for, click on them to select them. If you want to import multiple brushes at once, you can select them all together. After selecting your desired brushes, click the Open button. This confirms your selection and begins the import process. Affinity Designer will then add these brushes to your Path Brushes panel, making them immediately available for use in your current project and any future projects you work on. And that's it. Your custom brushes are now imported and ready to use in Affinity Designer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.